Tired of fees eating into your savings when you move money around? Today, I will show you the easiest way to transfer money from your TD account to another bank, avoiding those pesky charges. Let's get started. First, open your TD Bank app or log into your account on the TD Bank website. Make sure you have your username and password ready. Once you are logged in, look for the transfer option. It's usually located on the main dashboard or in the menu. Tap or click on it. Now you will need to add the external account you want to transfer money to. Select Add Account or something similar. This will prompt you to enter the routing number and account number of the other bank. Double-check these numbers for accuracy. TD Bank might send a small test deposit to verify the account. This usually takes 13 business days. Once you receive these deposits, note the amounts. Return to the TD Bank app or website and enter the exact amounts of the trial deposits to confirm the linked account. Now that your external account is verified, go back to the transfer screen. Select your TD account as the from account and the newly added external bank account as the to account. Enter the amount you want to transfer. Review all the transfer details carefully, including the amount, the accounts involved, and the date. If everything looks correct, confirm the transfer. That is it. Your transfer is now scheduled, and the money will typically arrive in your other bank account within 13 business days. You are all set.